मैं हूँ जॉर्जिना
मैं हूँ जॉर्जिना
और मैं हूँ बैकपैक और लाइक इवन आई स्टार्टेड टू फंबल और मैं हूँ बैकपैकर मिल्चीज. सो दिस इज अ सेकंड वीडियो. अभी मैंने वीडियो एंड जस्ट नाउ वी हैव एंडेड द वीडियो एंड दिस इज अ न्यू वीडियो. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग इनसाइड Tirana Castle,
yes.
and we will try some food and we'll just walk around and show you how beautiful this place is. So just enjoy the view for some time.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't kid around.
यहाँ का vibes है ना बहुत अच्छा है. Like you can see a lot of cafes and restaurants and the setup is pretty nice. So like you can spend your evening here. I guess most of the people come here during evening only, right?
Yes, they come here during the evening, after work, after school, just to enjoy the cafes.
Yeah.
Like I said, most of the Indians
Yeah.
know.
Like currently it's a lockdown. That's the reason it used to get closed at 11 p.m. Or else like it used to be open during entire night.
So usually it was during the entire night, yes. Not cafes, but mostly clubs and some supermarkets and food places.
You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found.
If any Indian or any traveler comes here, so what should he try here? Or one more thing, here it is expensive, right, as compared to the restaurants outside?
Yes, so most restaurants here are a bit more expensive. Some of them have traditional dishes, you know, the dish that I mentioned previously. And for the most part, it's also like Italian food because that one is mostly used in Albania as well. You can also try different, for the ones who would like to drink alcohol. There's like different wines. There's like a winery or two, and different kind of teas.
There are a lot of restaurants and lot of bars also. And here do we get raki or raki? So like
yes, raki is found everywhere around Tirana. You can get good quality of it if you really want to try the interesting taste. So it's traditional alcoholic drink. It's traditional of Albania. It can be found as well now in Turkey. And some other places of Balkan are actually trying to use it a different way, but Albania has the most specific one.
It's a traditional drink of Albania, but nowadays many Balkan countries have that, but it is basically from Albania, and in Albania it is the strongest, right?
Yes, it is the strongest and it is the most flavorful one. It can be done from grape. It can also be done from like berries, walnuts, and
so basically only with fruits.
It's only with fruits.
Yes. So it is non-alcoholic. It's non-alcoholic. So like we came outside because already it's late and we thought of having a coffee somewhere outside and just walking around the street because could be jana bhi hai. Or if you are coming to Tirana Castle, you can try out the bars and restaurants, and like in most of the restaurants the prices are listed outside, right?
Yes.
Yeah, bar. Sometimes.
No.
Yeah. So आप लोग check out ऐसे कर सकते हो. Like or else you can, most of the people speak English here as far as I know, so you don't have a problem. Like you might not have a problem. You can request the staff or the waiter itself, like what dish can I try.
Yeah, that's correct.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down.
Hi. So guys, हम लोग आए इस रेस्टोरेंट पे, गारा इम्पेरियम. So we're gonna try something locally.
So the things that they have here.
Okay.
They have salads and Caesar or Greek salad.
We can try the meatballs, like you said something, right? Okay, we can order that and
Ones and homemade ones, and also like
I'm not sure. Like anything, I'm not sure. First time I'm trying.
One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better.
Is that bread or something else? Or nothing else, just that.
You can, if you want, like you can eat those with bread as well.
Okay, bread.
Okay,
Yeah.
bread.
Yeah, sure. तो इन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि इंडिया में डेजर्ट कौन सा फेमस है. One thing is like gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun.
Yeah. Like, do you have an internet?
Yeah.
You can search.
I'm very interested to know actually. So
Yeah.
is this like a traditional dessert?
Yeah.
Like,
Yes. I would spell like it's GULAB JAMUN.
gulab jamun.
Yeah.
I'm just waiting for it to go. Sorry, I've opened I
Google
was
Maps.
looking at the maps because I was
I think you are high on something.
maybe. I've been using the maps to find the place.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's this one.
Yeah, it's very tasty. Also, you can search rasgulla.
Rasgulla. Oh, this one seems
Yeah,
very tasty
yeah.
as well.
So jalebi,
Yeah, so
JILEBI. This is also, yeah. People mostly when they complete their dish, like they after they eat, they will have 1 or 2 pieces. One more last dessert I would say. It is from South India. It's very tasty. Search payasam. PAYAYASAM.
So
Yeah.
it's a kind of puddings. I really
Yeah.
like puddings.
It
I'm
is
gonna
very
check
tasty,
this
yeah.
one with what is made. So it's like milk, sugar, rice. We have something that has a similar base here,
Mm-hmm.
although it's called like sultiash, and
Sultiash.
it's made of milk.
Okay,
and
yeah, it's made of
rice and
milk.
Sugar, and sometimes people will also add like raisins there or even
Mm-hmm.
walnuts to make it more flavorful, and also
Mm-hmm.
cinnamon. It's
In India,
always
like
with
in South India, we used to like eat by our hands. So we have a big banana leaf.
oh,
Banana leaf. In Bilal, I am having a cappuccino, and Georgina, you are having
like a small hot chocolate.
hot chocolate. I asked her to eat, but she's saying that
I just previously ate with my friend like 5 minutes before meeting, and I was really craving something like a hot chocolate or a tea,
Okay.
and we did very well.
yeah. But next time when we meet, you have to dine with me.
Sure.
Yeah. ये बोल रहे कि like she used to see some travel videos, but इनको usually पसंद नहीं आता है. There is a travel vlogger in India whom I admire the most. His YouTube channel name is Traveling Mondays. Mondays. You can see his videos, and I can assure you that you will feel like you are seeing some kind of film. It is very like he edits, the way he edits, the way he narrates the story. But sometimes he will be using Indian words. But most of the times he will be using English only. You have to definitely try. Yeah, this one.
Yeah, so I found.
I will go to like. Can you go? No, sorry. Can you go to the videos?
Yes,
And yeah, this video, Kerala.
this one.
You will fall in love with this video when you definitely have time. Please watch that.
Sure, I'll just make a screenshot so I.
Yeah. So this is a meatballs.
They are both meatballs. It's flat ones with more spices, and also these ones that are with garlic. So it's
Okay, that's the garlic.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
and even the
not-
shape is pretty good.
Yeah.
These are toast. And usually like
toast.
yeah, we eat this with the meatballs.
yes.
So guys, now she will teach me how to eat this because मुझे पता नहीं कैसा खाना है क्योंकि toast भी दिया है और meatballs भी दिया है.
Yeah. So it's basically it's like meatballs.
Okay.
We call them also shawte here. And it's like a traditional food, but it's also like a street food, very common in Albania. And you can try to eat them however you want. You can eat them with bare hands.
Okay,
Usually-
with bare hands like you sure.
Yeah, so you can eat with bare hands and with a bit of bread. It depends. You can
Okay.
use bread or not, but yeah, just try it.
How is it?
It's pretty good actually.
Yeah.
It's nice.
ओके तो मैं अभी हाथ से खाता हूँ फिर फोक से भी दिखाता हूँ. Damn, it's so tasty. And it's of like chicken or
It's mostly it's like with cow.
cow. Okay.
Yeah.
Beef.
Yeah, it's beef.
Beef का ये and it's known as meatballs.
You know. And you can also try the other ones, because it's two different kinds.
Okay.
Yes.
That is the which meat? Same?
Yeah, it's the same, but it's just the shape and maybe the way they are cooked.
That is tasting like some garlic is added.
Yes,
But
it
it's
has.
like huge competition. I can't decide which is better. So guys, you can definitely try this meatballs or toast. Taste awesome है. Taste कैसा है?
Egg number.
एक number it taste. So now I'll just put some time lapse and we will enjoy our dinner. Time lapse enjoy.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody.
So guys, total bill हुआ 830 legs और हमने लिया कैपेचिनो और 2 मीटबॉल्स के कुछ और एक हॉट चॉकलेट, मीटबॉल्स, टोस्ट. Okay, that one. Okay. The taste was very good. Do you understand English? No. Okay. Very good. It was very good. Thank you.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like.
So we are done with the meal and it was an amazing experience. मैंने आपको देखा है रेस्टोरेंट का नाम. Definitely people should visit there, right?
Yeah.
The taste was amazing and it is very affordable. For a couple or if you are coming in a group, then I guess per person it won't go more than 500 lakhs. It was a like budget friendly restaurant. It depends, like some restaurants are expensive and some are budget friendly. You can just give a try and try some traditional dishes and most of the people know your English, so it won't be a problem.
No, it won't be a problem at all.
And thank you so much Georgina for suggesting that food. So now if anyone asks me like which traditional dish you tried in Albania, I say that I have tried meatballs, toast. And I have some interesting question for you. If you are on a date with a guy, what is the one thing and the first thing which you notice and which can impress you?
That's an interesting question.
Okay.
I would really notice how if they're behaving rude
Okay.
or if they're just using swear words or anything like that.
Okay. Will you notice his dressing style or you will just notice his nature?
I'll just try to notice them both actually, because you can tell a lot of things from how someone acts and also from how someone dresses. Like
Yeah.
someone can be dressed very expressively.
Yeah.
You know,
But their
someone
behavior
is-
won't be good enough.
Yeah.
So guys, finally we are in Skanderbeg Square and matlab back to the place where we met. We met here.
Yes.
And I sent her my photo because मैंने उनको photo भेज दिया था कि like if you, because I don't have a SIM card, तो मैंने उनको photo भेजा कि if you find someone with this dressing attire you can identify that it is me. So first of all, thanks for making me try some local dishes and sharing about the Albanian culture and what people speak. And
You are very welcome. Also, thank you about the nice experience and
Yeah.
everything. Actually, it was very nice.
yeah, and I was feeling a bit weird to vlog in public, but when she was there with me, I felt confident.
Oh, I really
Seriously,
appreciate
because like whenever you are in a different country and like people stare at you vlogging, and I feel kind of embarrassed. But even this was her first experience, but she was more confident than me. She was like she was giving facial expressions. Like we will be meeting again, and this time I'll show you the nightlife of Tirana. Let's see. So guys, if you have spent your precious time watching this video till here, then don't forget to hit the like or the dislike button. Also do suggest your thoughts in the comment section. As usual,
Dream bigger,
Achieve
achieve
bigger.
bigger, and stay away from negativity. Having said that, signing off, Georgina.
it was like you memorized. But yeah, cool. Like in first attempt you did. Having said that, signing off, आपका backpacker Melchis, and it was nice meeting you.
And lie to you. If only you knew I would die